Hi everyone, my name is Aisha and in this video I am going to explain how to create survey forms and quiz using the Microsoft Forms. So open any browser, open Google and type Microsoft Forms. You can see Microsoft Forms easily create surveys, quiz and polls. Click on this and this window will open if you have already signed into the Microsoft account. I have signed in the Microsoft account, so I can see this window. So there are two options, new form and new quiz. First of all, we will create the survey form and then we will create the quiz. So I am going to click on the new form and here untitled form appears. So you have to give the title. Suppose I am going to collect the information of students. So I am giving the title students information. Enter description. Fill all questions are compulsory. Now start adding the question. Click on add new. One more thing, you can use the themes also. There are different themes here available. You can use these themes or you can use the colors only, and you can use the custom theme by uploading the image. So I am going to upload the image from my system. So this image will appear here. So I am going to click on this image and this image is appeared in the background. Now we will start adding the questions. First, suppose name of the student is the question. So answer will be the text type. So I am selecting the text and the question is name of the student. Then question is required. Make it required. Go for the next question. Next question is also the text type. Type the question, email ID, make it required. Click on the next. Click on the next. The next question is suppose choice, gender, male, female, and prefer not to say. Click on the next question. Click on the next question. Suppose I want to insert the date of birth. So pick up the date and birth format. Add next. Suppose I am going to use the mobile number. So here you can give restrictions to it should be the number. Then add, suppose text types question, address, and this should be the long answer question. So give more space, and here we will add one more question, class, and we will give here 1 minute. We will add the question for, we'll add here stream, we will give here BA, BSc, BCom, BCS, BCA, and then we will add one more question, class, first year, second year, third year. So here our survey questions are completed. Now we will preview the survey questions. It will look like this: name of the student, email ID, gender, date of birth, mobile number, address, stream, and class. You can view in computer like this, and in mobile you can see the questions like this. So now we have to see how to send this form. So click on send. Here you can send. You can see different options. You can copy this link. This link is can be posted in your social media. Here also you can get the link, and here one different thing than other applications is you can download the QR code. Then third, you can embed the link in your website, and you can mail through the email ID. So I am going to I am copying the link, and I will fill the form. I am giving the random numbers and address. Submit. Now your response was submitted. Now we will move. We will go for the Microsoft Forms. Here you can see one response is recorded there, and you can see that record in the Excel file. It is also recorded in Excel file. So you can download the Excel file and you can see the record. Now we will see how to create the quiz. So click on new quiz and give the name of the quiz. Suppose I am giving general, or we will write here general knowledge quiz. Here again we will give the description. All questions are compulsory. Then we will add choice type question. I have written some questions in one Word file. We will picking up and pasting here. Grand Central Terminal Park Avenue, New York is the world's largest railway station. Highest railway station. Longest railway station. and none of the above. So the answer of this is largest railway station. Correct? No, correct answer is this one, and points for this is 2. Now I am adding one more question. It is also choice type question. Entomology is the science that studies behavior of human beings, insects, and we will take one more question for date. Independence Day of India. Again we will send in the same way by copying it and pasting it into the another window. So this is the largest railway station is insect and Independence Day. August. So here you also record the responses in the Excel sheet, and you can open and find the responses. So I think you understand how to design the quiz and how to design the survey forms using the Microsoft Forms. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.